Cockroaches are disgusting pests that signify filth and are often associated with unsanitary living conditions. They reproduce rapidly, and their ability to thrive in various environments makes them challenging to eliminate. You may be surprised by what many homeowners know or think they know about roaches. In this video, we'll clarify some common misconceptions about cockroaches and provide tips on how to control these invasive pests. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Many people have experienced walking into a dark room, turning on the lights, and seeing a cockroach quickly scuttle away into hiding. The immediate reaction raises the question of whether cockroaches are afraid of light or if they have learned to associate illuminated spaces with human presence. Keep in mind that many cockroaches in the United States, especially ones that infest homes and properties, are nocturnal. Much of their foraging activity occurs when it's dark, so they've adapted to traveling in those conditions. They prefer a dark environment for the cover it provides, but if a location is frequently lit, roaches are known to adapt to suit their needs. If you see that roaches have resorted to remaining active in lit areas, then you may be dealing with a larger infestation than you think. To control cockroaches that hide in dark cracks and crevices, we recommend you use Apex Cockroach Bait Gel. Apex is an imidacloprid bait product used to eliminate cockroaches in commercial, industrial, and residential areas. This bait is designed to kill roaches slowly. Once a cockroach consumes the bait, it will return to its nest before dying. The poison will spread within the colony, systemically eliminating entire infestations. With the included applicator tip, apply small beads of bait to cracks and crevices where roach activity has been observed. Possible placements include under baseboards, under sinks, countertops, cabinets, and where pipes penetrate the wall. To treat underneath appliances like the microwave, apply a pea-sized amount onto a note card and slide it under. Depending on the roach you're treating, the labeled application rate varies. To control German cockroaches, the most common indoor harboring roach, you'll need to apply 3 drops per square yard. Leave your bait placements and check back every 1 to 2 weeks to reapply as needed. When placed properly, you should expect to see a reduction in roach activity within 5 days. You've probably seen a clip online of baby spiders swarming after an adult spider has been stepped on. If you haven't, count yourself lucky. The point is that many people think this is a common occurrence, even for cockroaches. While this can happen, it's really not as common as some make it out to be. The reason why swarms of newly born roaches or spiders appear is because the parent is holding the egg sac. Cockroach egg sacs are known as the ootheca. After mating, female roaches form an ootheca within their bodies and deposit them in concealed areas. Until then, they hold onto the sac as the roach nymphs develop. When a female roach is forming an ootheca, it's rather easy to spot. You'll see the sac form out of the end of the roach's abdomen. If you spot one, avoid crushing it. Remove the roach or the ootheca if you can, but crushing them may yield your nightmare turned reality. To protect your home from adult and juvenile roaches, apply Novacide Aerosol. Novacide is a long-lasting residual product that combines insecticidal ingredients with insect growth regulators. This product not only kills fully developed roaches, but it also prevents juvenile roaches from reaching reproductive maturity. Apply Novacide to all floor surfaces. Shake the can, hold the can upside down at arm's length, and spray in a sweeping motion while slowly moving backward to avoid spraying your clothes. Allow the product several hours to dry completely. Once dry, Novacide is harmless to people and pets. This product will affect roaches that make direct contact with the spray or with treated areas after they've dried. Adult roaches will slowly become paralyzed, while juvenile roaches will be unable to develop into further stages of their life cycles. If you're dealing with a heavy infestation, we recommend you reapply Novacide every 2 weeks until activity has depleted. Roaches are known to infest and nest where it's filthy and unsanitary, but they can also appear in well-cleaned homes as well. Cockroaches only look for food, water, and shelter. If your home has all 3, then it's a likely target for invasion. Cockroaches are able to flatten their bodies to squeeze through tight cracks and crevices in door frames, window frames, and other entry points. They can crawl in through plumbing, or you might even bring one home in a grocery bag. Accidents happen, but you can be proactive in preventing roaches from coming from outside. Inspect your home or structure for interior and exterior entry points. Tight cracks and crevices can be sealed with caulk or foam insulation, and larger voids may need to be stuffed with copper mesh. When done properly, outdoor inhabiting roaches will be unable to get inside, save for the occasional door or window left open. Cockroach infestations are known to be tough to eliminate, but any pest is easier to control with the right information. Don't forget to check out our website for complete cockroach control guides. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop cockroaches from infesting in or around your home, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.